Hi guys, I am back with a small haul for you, and this is very small. I've always been a big fan of Cocoa Vanilla, and so they have a new collection called Midnight. And I've always watched Raquel Bowman, and she does some beautiful layouts for Cocoa Vanilla, and I just love the aesthetic. And so I went ahead and ordered some pieces, not all of it, but some pieces of the Midnight collection. I think there was one part of it I really wanted, and they were sold out, but it's not the easiest product to get in the US, and it is a little pricey, but it's well worth it, especially considering I don't buy a lot of scrapbook supplies anymore. So what I do buy is very precious to me. So we'll start with the paper. This one is, well, it doesn't have names that I can tell. Maybe on the back. Okay, this name is on the back. So this paper is called Inspire, and it's just some lovely textures and watercolors with some outlines of floral patterns in the back. And then the B side looks to me like diamonds or odd shaped jewels that are in a sketchy pattern. And like I said, this one is called Inspired. I probably won't use that side. I'll probably use this side in its entirety because I just love it and think it's gorgeous. This one is the, oh, what is it called? I seem to have them upside down. This one is Shine Bright, and so it is a whitewashed blonde wood, and it is just beautiful. I love it. I love worn wood paper. And then the back is an ombre pink watercolor, and you know I love pink, and this one is called Shine Bright. This one is the Sunset Strip, and I absolutely love this side. I know I'll be using this side hopefully in its entirety. I can always do anything with a wash of color. I've always loved that aesthetic. This is the back side, and it looks like that white granite that you can get that has those little gold flecks in it. And I guess it's not really granite because there's only 8 types of granite, I believe. I am trying to think of the name of what this would be, but maybe it's a marble, like a marble, but it's got the little flecks of color. But I like this side. This is my first love on that paper. This one is also gorgeous, and seriously, after seeing this, I'm like, maybe I should do just a watercolor line, because I do love watercolor so much. This is called Moonlight, and look at how beautiful that is. It's just a wash of oranges and pinks and whites with blue speckles sprinkled all over it, and it looks like they used a brush technique and a flick technique, and it's just gorgeous. I know I'll be using this side. The back is white, and it says, memories live in the moment. You are my happy. Enjoy the little things. So things like that. But I've got plenty of paper with script. I would love and adore using that side. And then this one is a simple floral, which is called Inky Depths. Now, I love both sides. I don't know why I didn't get 2. Probably because I thought, you know, I've got lots of little florals. But as beautiful as those florals are, this is the side that I absolutely love, and it is the Inky Depths of just a ombre midnight navy color. It's got a very black shade to the tonality, and it's just, it's amazing. Amazing. So that is some of the papers that I got. And I do have some other Cocoa Vanilla. I need to pull it out and get to playing with it. I also got the 25-piece die cut titles, and they're a good size. I like doing die cuts lately of words. So, in fact, I'm struggling with thickers, and I'm loving die cut words. So this is what the backs, or the back will show you what it has, and so I just think that's lovely. Let's see if there's anything unusual here. Well, it does say days, but typically it's all the words you would expect. So very pretty. And then we've got the flare buttons, which are gorgeous. I love this girl. She's beautiful. This says bloom and grow. There is a midnight colored heart. Shine bright, hello lovely, and every moment matters. And I cannot resist flare. I love flare, and I use it on almost every layout, it seems. And then these are clear stickers. So I don't mind clear stickers. They bothered me at first, but I just back them on white usually now, or I use them directly onto a white piece of paper. Oh, it's got two sides. I thought it was just this one side, but I love this flower. These little flowers are just beautiful. And I am going to sketch some of those. Maybe I'll sketch some directly onto the paper and then stitch it. I don't know, but I did like these wash of colors. In January, I'm going to be going to Creativation, and I should be able to talk to some sticker manufacturers, because I have not been able to find a sticker manufacturer that I like in the US. And so I'm hoping that will give me some insight and connections to some sticker companies that I can make stickers for you from cheeky. So that is the collection. I did say it was small. It is small but powerful. I'm excited to have these items in my stash, and I will be bringing them to a layout near you. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. I will talk to you later. Ta-ta for now. Bye.